Today we are discussing about standard 10 subject science, chapter number 10, light, reflection and refraction. First of all, what is light? Light is an electromagnetic wave. Light having dual nature, electric nature as well as in magnetic in nature. Light travel in a straight path. You see headlight, street light, laser light or any light. Light molecule travel in a straight path. They don't become zigzag motion. They travel straight forward, straight in a path. Light travel in vacuum also. You can see light never require any medium to transfer. Light can travel in vacuum also. Means if there is no environment present, light still can travel, but sound cannot travel because sound require any environment to travel. Light travel in a vacuum. The speed of light in a vacuum is 3 cross 10 to the power 8 meter per second, means 30 crore meter per second. The speed of light in vacuum means galaxy in space in universe is 30 crore meter per second. Light is a transfer wave. Light is a transfer wave. Everything that can you see around us due to the reflection of light. Any object that human can see in a day or with the help of sunlight or a light due to the reflection of light. If there is no sunlight or there is no light, human can't see anything. Why? Because we see only in visible region. The visible region of visible region is 400 to 800 nanometer. Human eye can only see the visible region wavelength. Humans can't see at night. Why? Because in night IR rays are visible. IR rays are visible. Many animals can see in the night, like cats, dogs, snakes, leopard, lion, tiger, because their eyes are IR active. Our human eyes are not IR active. That's why we can't see at night without light. Now, first of all, what is reflection of light? Reflection of light, bouncing back of the light in the same medium on a plane surface. This is known as reflection of light. Bouncing back of the light in a same medium on a plane surface. This is known as reflection of light. You can see the diagram of reflection of light here. This is plane mirror, this is incident ray, this is normal ray and this is reflected ray. First of all, now what is incident ray? The ray of light which is incident on a mirror is known as incident ray. The light which is incident on a plane mirror. The light which is incident on a plane mirror is known as incident ray. Reflected ray, the light which is bounced back. The ray of light which is bounced back in a surface is known as reflected ray. The bouncing back of the ray is known as reflected ray. Normal ray, the line draw perpendicularly on a plane mirror is known as normal ray. Means there is incident ray, there is reflected ray. The line draw perpendicular between them. The ray is known as normal ray. Normal ray always perpendicular to any plane mirror or a curve mirror. Now, angle of incident. What is angle of incident? The angle between the incident ray and normal ray. The angle between incident ray and the normal ray is known as angle of incident. It is denoted by small I. The angle of incident denoted by small I. Now, angle of reflection. Now, what is angle of reflection? The angle between the reflected ray and normal ray is known as angle of reflection. Angle of reflection can also denoted by small r. Now, laws of reflection. So, there are two laws of reflection. Number one, the angle of incident is equal to the angle of reflection. Means if the incident at 70 degree, the reflected ray also bounce back on the 70 degree. Means angle of incident is always angle of reflection. Means if incident angle is 80, then reflected angle is 80, never 90. Okay. Now number 2, incident ray, reflected ray and normal ray all lies in the same plane. We see on the upper side in a diagram, you see that incident ray, reflected ray and normal ray all lies in the same plane. All lies in the same plane. So this is our laws of reflection. Now property of the plane mirror. You see every day your face in a plane mirror. But how can you see the image formed behind the mirror? The image formed by a plane mirror is virtual and direct. You see any image form is front of you as like same as your human being. That is same like you na. Means the image is formed by a plane mirror is virtual. Virtual means imaginary image, not perfect, not real image. It is virtual image that you have just imagined that there is an image form like you in front of mirror and direct image. Now the image height and size is equal to the object height and size. If your height is 5.7 inch, the image height is also 5.7 inch, and the size of the image is like your size. Means the height and the size of the image and objects are same. Number 3, the image form is laterally inverted. Laterally inverted means if you up your right hand, the in front of mirror, the image up their left hand, that is called as laterally inverted. And number 4, the image formed behind the mirror is at the same distance where the object stand in. Means if you are away from mirror 3 meter, the image form also behind the mirror is 3 meter away from mirror, and that is the property of plane mirror. That is important. If you like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel and never miss the bell icon, and press the bell icon, never miss an update. Hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you.